Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Growing English words.
Rebellious. Rebellious is an adjective. It means fighting against another's control. Disobedient. For example, parents often use grounding as punishment for rebellious teenagers.
Parents often use grounding as punishment for rebellious teenagers.
Superior. Superior is an adjective. It means excellent of its kind, higher in position or rank. For example, Margot made the team because she is a superior chess player.
Margot made the team because she is a superior chess player.
Anxious. Anxious is an adjective. It means worried, concerned, eager, or wishing strongly. For example, Christine is anxious about the results of her math test.
Christine is anxious about the results of her math test.
Methodical. Methodical is an adjective. It means done in a regular, orderly way. For example, during an experiment, scientists have to work in a methodical way to get expected results.
During an experiment, scientists have to work in a methodical way to get expected results.
Sluggish. Sluggish is an adjective. It means lacking energy, not active or slow-moving. For example, the warm weather made me sluggish.
The warm weather made me sluggish.
Evade. Evade is a verb. It means to keep away from, or to avoid being caught. To avoid doing or answering. For example, the robbers tried to evade the police by getting away with a car.
The robbers tried to evade the police by getting away with a car.
Stimulate. Stimulate is a verb. It means to make more active. For example, coffee stimulates the nervous system.
Coffee stimulates the nervous system.
Liberate. Liberate is a verb. It means to free. For example, the zoo animals were finally liberated from captivity.
The zoo animals were finally liberated from captivity.
Prohibit. Prohibit is a verb. It means to forbid by law or order. For example, throwing trash anywhere is prohibited in Metro Manila.
Throwing trash anywhere is prohibited in Metro Manila.
Exult. Exult is a verb. It means to be joyful, to show great happiness. For example, the Quiz Bee team exulted in their victory.
The Quiz Bee team exulted in their victory.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pen and paper.
Group the words that go together.
Uncover.
Release.
Evade. Deceit.
Bypass.
Clear up.
Get around.
Evade, deceit, bypass, and get around. They all mean to avoid. Keep,
Rescue.
Limit. Liberate.
detach,
Redeem.
Hold back.
rescue, liberate, detach, and redeem. They all mean to free. Let go,
Include.
Ban. Prohibit.
inhibit,
Block.
Support.
ban, prohibit, inhibit, and block. They all mean to block. Mourn,
Rejoice.
Exult. Be sad.
cheer,
Grieve.
Be delighted.
exult, rejoice, cheer, and be delighted. They all mean to celebrate. Trigger,
Block.
Delay. Stimulate.
arouse,
Stop.
Spark.
stimulate, arouse, trigger, and spark. They all mean encourage. Inferior,
Remarkable.
Poor. First rate.
superior,
Low class.
High caliber.
superior, first rate, remarkable, and high caliber. They all mean high class. Afraid,
Content.
Jittery. Unafraid.
anxious,
Scared.
Peaceful.
afraid, anxious, jittery, and scared. They all mean fearful. Structured,
Careless.
Precise. Disorganized.
methodical,
Meticulous.
Unsystematic.
methodical, precise, structured, and meticulous. They all mean systematic. Disobedient,
Happy.
Attacking. Obedient.
rebellious,
Compliant.
Quarrelsome.
rebellious, disobedient, attacking, and quarrelsome. They all mean unruly. Inactive,
Lively.
Down. Energetic.
sluggish,
Moving.
Laid back.
sluggish, inactive, down, and laid back. They all mean sullen. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pen and paper.
Choose the correct meaning.
Number 1. Evade.
Letter A. A general idea.
Letter B. To keep away from.
Letter C. Worried, wishing strongly.
The correct answer is letter B. Evade means to keep away from.
Number 2. Liberate.
Letter A. To avoid doing or answering.
Letter B. To make more active.
Letter C. To free.
The correct answer is letter C. Liberate means to free.
Number 3. Prohibit.
Letter A. To free.
Letter B. To forbid by law or order.
Letter C. To be joyful.
The correct answer is letter B. Prohibit means to forbid by law or order.
Number 4. Exult.
Letter A. To show great happiness.
Letter B. Worried or eager.
Letter C. Lacking energy.
The correct answer is letter A. Exult means to show great happiness.
Number 5. Stimulate.
Letter A. Not active.
Letter B. Slow moving.
Letter C. To make more active.
The correct answer is letter C. Stimulate means to make more active.
Number 6. Superior.
Letter A. Excellent of its kind.
Letter B. Disobedient.
Letter C. To be joyful.
The correct answer is letter A. Superior means excellent of its kind.
Number 7. Anxious.
Letter A. Disobedient.
Letter B. Worried, wishing strongly.
Letter C. To free.
The correct answer is letter B. Anxious means worried, wishing strongly.
Number 8. Rebellious.
Letter A. Forbid by law.
Letter B. To avoid doing or answering.
Letter C. Fighting against another's control.
The correct answer is letter C. Rebellious means fighting against another's control.
Number 9. Methodical.
Letter A. Done in a regular, orderly way.
Letter B. Lacking energy.
Letter C. To make more active.
The correct answer is letter A. Methodical means done in a regular or orderly way.
Number 10. Sluggish.
Letter A. To be joyful.
Letter B. Worried or concerned.
Letter C. Lacking energy or not active.
The correct answer is letter C. Sluggish means lacking energy or not active.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.